In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eye-catching and creative images using ChatGPT's image tool, which you can then use to enhance your Instagram Reels. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you're able to produce compelling visuals that engage your audience. To start with, let's open up ChatGPT. You'll want to navigate to chatopenai.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After you're logged in, you'll see an interface that feels quite welcoming and easy to use. Look towards the left side of the screen where you'll find the option to click on Plus New Chat. This will initiate a fresh session, allowing you to get started with creating your image. Next, we need to switch over to the Image tool. In the message bar at the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a plus icon, which stands for Add Tools. Click on it, and if available, opt for the Generate Image option. It's worth noting that this might vary slightly depending on whether you're using the web app or the desktop version, but generally, you should find this option with ease. Once you've accessed the Image tool, it's time to get creative and describe the image you want. Try to be as descriptive and imaginative as possible. For instance, you might say, create a cinematic illustration of a PUBG hero parachuting from a plane with a dramatic sunset background. The clearer your description, the more aligned the results will be with your vision. This tool uses your text input to generate a visual representation, so feel free to get detailed with your request. As the image generates, you'll see a preview inside the chat. This is your chance to assess if it aligns with what you had in mind. But let's not stop there. Why not use ChatGPT for some inspiration on how to make this image go viral? Simply ask, for example, give me 5 creative PUBG BGMI reel ideas that could go viral on Instagram. Make them short, funny, and easy for beginners to edit. By doing this, you'll receive some interesting concept ideas that you can incorporate into your content strategy. After viewing the image's preview, click on the thumbnail to see it in full size. If you're satisfied and ready to take it forward, hover over the image and click Download. This action will save the image to your device, making it available for further editing. Finally, import your freshly downloaded image into editing software like CapCut or Canva. These platforms are perfect for using your image as a thumbnail or a background in your Instagram reel. With these tools, you can add text, overlays, and other graphics to ensure your content stands out and catches the eyes of your audience. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating and sharing engaging content that captures attention and leaves a lasting impression. Happy creating, and may your reels go viral.